Chapter 9. The Secret Heart, where love's the start. Now listen close, said Krishna kind. I'll share a truth to free your mind. The deepest secret, clear and bright, is found in love, in peace, in light. I live in all, and all is in me. Each leaf, each cloud, each humming bee. Though people rarely see me near, I hold them close, I'm always here. I ask for nothing, grand or great, no golden gift, no heavy weight. A leaf, a flower, a fruit, a prayer, if offered true, I'm always there. Even the lost who've gone astray can turn to me and find the way. With love and trust they rise once more, like waves that dance back to the shore. No name or birth keeps one apart, I welcome every open heart. Just love me well and do what's right, and I will guide you through the night. Arjun sat still, with eyes aglow. He felt a warmth begin to grow. This secret song, so soft, so deep, would guide his soul, awake or sleep.
Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to stay updated. Krishna Stories!